Today we want to better explain the CV search function in order to help you find the best possible candidates. To access the CV search function, first go to your dashboard and then go to the Search CV tab. At first, you can enter a keyword surrounded by speech marks, or also use connectors such as and or to help better find results. You can then apply filters step by step, starting with the country. You can also move to the languages filter, add the language skills followed by the level. After you press search, the results will start to appear. On the right hand side, you can see the icon, which means that the candidate's profile is complete on our website. In order to judge the relevance of a candidate, you can see how many times each keyword appears in someone's profile or CV at the bottom. To access a candidate's profile, you can click up a number which will take you to their profile on the Europe Language Jobs website. Here you can see details about a candidate's experience and education. At the bottom, you can see when they last logged into their account and see when they were last active. If you're interested in a candidate, you can click on the Unlock button to see the candidate's contact details, profile photo, and also download their CV. In order to get the best results possible from the CV search feature, we recommend you to do the following. We recommend to apply filters step by step. To start, we recommend applying filters for languages and country, and if results are still too broad, you can also add sector or any of the filters in the second row, such as contract, salary, or willingness to relocate. We also recommend to combine filters with keywords. For example, instead of using the sector filter, you can type the desired sector into the keyword section. It's also possible to search only by keywords, as the system does use Boolean search. You can also filter by the newest candidates by selecting only those registered this month. If that result is too limited, you can also filter candidates registered this year or search for all candidates from all time. So thank you for listening. We hope that CV search tips will help you to find the best multilingual candidates for you.